Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide or display quick treatment on HUD in Arena Breakout Infinite. To show or hide a quick treatment on HUD, click on Escape to get to menu, then make sure you are in Game tab here, and then you can find Quick Treatment, and you can set it to auto display or always hide. And this is how quick treatment looks. When you've chosen the setting, click on save, then confirm, and then click here to go back. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.